Hi IGTV, look at this weather. How nice is this in the middle of July to have a day that's in the 90s and all these clouds and a little bit of sprinkles. It's amazing. I'm so happy. So I had to record from out here today because we obviously have some great weather and I'm not sweating trying to do this update outside. So anyway, what's going on in the Phoenix real estate market? Okay, so compared to last week, we have the same situation with these cities being in a seller's market and continuing to move in that direction. The only difference that we have this week is that the movement in that direction was a little bit less than last week. So all in all, not enough change to really notice, but all of those cities are moving in the direction of a seller's market by anywhere between 41% compared to the last month, all the way up to 81% compared to the last month. So it's been pretty significant, but again, it hasn't been quite as bad this month versus last month when you look at that. Additionally, I mentioned last week that we had some new listings that came to the market, a little bit of an influx, and our new listing count as we start Q3 is up 8% from last year, which sounds strange because we continue to talk about low inventory. And these listings, it's great that we're getting them, but it's not really helping because our buyer demand is so much more this year than it was last year. So even though we're getting these new listings, people are scooping them up left and right. They're flying off the shelves. So really our inventory problem is still there. A lot of that is due to pent-up demand and significantly low interest rates that everyone's taking advantage of. So that's the situation there. And then in terms of prices, so prices continue to go up, as I've mentioned, because we have so much pressure on a lack of listings and a bunch of people who want to buy them. So that continues to push up the prices as more people bid on these listings, and then eventually the homes close at a higher price, so on and so forth. So our price per square foot, our average price per square foot in Phoenix in May was $180. Now, if you look at July, we're up to $191. Keep in mind, this is monthly, so it's going to change quite a bit. You're going to see those ups and downs more when you look month to month versus a year over year, but you can definitely see that the price of homes that closed back in May was quite a bit lower in terms of dollar per square foot than they were than they are now. So if you bought in May, congrats to you. If you're looking now, hopefully in 2 months you can look back and be like, yeah, I got a better price back in July. So you never know what's going to happen. As I always say, if I could just figure out how to work the crystal ball, I could give everyone a lot better insight. So that's my update for this week. I hope it's helpful. If you are in Arizona, I hope you're enjoying this weather because we certainly are, right, Zoe? Everyone have a good day.